My foundation is falling apart. I'm super worried it's not going to survive the month and a half lead out time that we have to start the repair. I need it done like yesterday. One of the biggest questions we get here at Anchor is how long does it normally take us before we can start your job? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair. This is a common question that we've gotten here. Let's take a look at why we're saying it is mid-late July, maybe even August when we get your job started. It might be a little hard to tell, but here right beside me, here on this whiteboard, this big green section from here all the way to here are all jobs that are on our board that we need to get started. That's why whenever we tell you we're a month and a half, 2 months booked out, this is the reason why. We have a huge list of names. I promise you're not alone in thinking that you need a repair right now ASAP. Just about every single one of these people that are on our board were thinking just the same way you were. The thing is, with foundation settlement, happens really slow over time. It's not going to change overnight where you got a wall or something falling over or anything drastic like that. If anything, it's just going to be little minor stuff, which we will address when we finally get to start your job here. No reason to be stressed or worried about anything. Just keep on watching and monitoring, and then we'll get to you here shortly. Leo, our operations manager, is also going to be in touch with you after you approve your job in the months following and keep you informed on what the schedule is looking like. And then as we get into the really close weeks to your job start, Leo should start to have an exact date built out for you. Of course, we are affected by weather, so if we do have a delay because of weather, it's out of our control. If we could control Mother Nature, we would, but we can't. While you're in that in-between phase, it'll be good to get some knowledge on what that repair process looks like. So make sure you're checking your emails. We'll be dropping those links in there. We're also gonna put a link down in the description as well to take you to some articles that are gonna explain what that repair process looks like.